here I have my car fully detailed, white diamond chrome metal polish on the exhaust tips and muffler. On the paint, I clay barred it with Mother's clay bar kit, polished it with turtle wax ceramic polishing wax, did the same for the rims, and I topped the paint off with the 303 graphene nano coating. And I put the hybrid ceramic tire shine from Meguiar's on the tires and on the duckbill spoiler. And just a moment you guys will see it, but it'll be kind of brief. But I used Lexol leather cleaner and conditioner on my seats and armrest and all the leather in the interior. I used the Oxi-Clean on the carpet and the floor mats, and I used Chemical Guy's Inner Clean for the dashboard, and used Stoner Car Care's glass cleaner on all of my glass. And this is the end result. Thank you for watching.